My name's Lewis and I'm on the customer success team here at Vevox. In this short clip, I'm going to be showing you one of the many ways that you can use the Vevox Q&A. One example is to use the Vevox Q&A board as a recognition platform to highlight employees' recent achievements. Let your Vevox participants submit who their silent hero or employee of the month is, with some reasoning behind their choice. All you need to do is create a Vevox session. Make sure you start the session and then send out the joining instructions to your participants. Alternatively, you can use the QR code and get them to participate that way. Once your participants are into Vevox, they just need to head over to the Q&A board and submit their response. Once you have a few responses in the Q&A board, it can then be discussed and reviewed in a live meeting environment via the Vevox Present view. You can click on the questions and highlight them on screen for everyone to see and gain recognition from. Alternatively, you can leave this board open for recognition in an offline environment for people to jump in and out of. The choice is completely up to you. That's it from me. I hope that was really nice and simple to follow, and we'll see you on the next tips video.